I can't imagine any other occupation as fulfilling as being a teacher. We've all had a teacher that has made an impact on our lives. The students that come to Blinn College have an opportunity to become that person. These degrees are a wonderful opportunity to start here at the community college level, so they can come into Blinn, have an opportunity to learn about education, learn about teaching, and then also do a field experience, so they can actually be in classrooms with students and with other teachers.
The education program at Blinn is such an amazing experience, and you get to make connections with your professors and make connections with the people in your class and work with like-minded people who are so passionate about it. It's so encouraging to work in a program like this, being in a place where they light your fire and they're working with you, and you're able to work with people in the community and in schools and make those connections. That's such a powerful and uplifting experience, and I don't think I could have done it without this program at Blinn.
The benefits of students starting at Blinn and then transferring is that we have very strong partnerships with our partner institutions. Options for transferring are as big as the state of Texas. It's as seamless as possible. They come to me for advising, I walk them through the program, they complete the program, and then I give them a contact person at that university, someone that they can go talk to that can help facilitate them transferring.
If someone was interested in this program, I would 1,000% recommend going to Blinn and working in their education program. This was the best decision of my life.